You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these letters in Swedish. The first one on your left, just an A, is pronounced as A. It's easy, A. The second one, with a little circle on top of it, is pronounced O. The final one, with an umlaut on it, 2 dots, is said as air. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.